Hi, Paul Cooper's my name, and I was a public practitioner for about 25 years, and I've now moved into the corporate governance side, and I work in health and manufacturing. So what my job entails is making sure that from a governance perspective, the company is doing the right thing for the major stakeholders, whether they be patients in a hospital, whether they be shareholders in a company, or employees, but making sure we're doing the right things. It was a huge move for me, moving from my own practice, because it's a practice I started in 1988. So when I decided that I was moving away from public practice, I looked for something that was going to drive a passion. And I had seen a lot of businesses in manufacturing, I'd worked with a lot of people in health, and I wanted to see what I could provide into the governance side of those businesses. So that's, find a business, find a passion of yours, and see if you can then progress your career in that area. What we saw is businesses needed to transform. And the transformation process was really getting a focus on what needed to be done. And what I find with engineers and accountants is that they get that focus quickly and they make sure they have the right people in the room to make those decisions. And that's what I found with the transformation. Get the right people in the room. Make sure you've got the right personalities in the room to ensure that you're going to get a balance across the organisation. And I think that's where, listen to what people are saying, make sure that they're providing contribution, draw out the contribution from those who are a little bit reticent to make that contribution. Why do I love what I do? I love doing the things that I'm doing now. I love seeing things transform. I like seeing things that go from ideation to activation to implementation, to actually see ideas turning into reality. That's what you see in manufacturing, that's what you see in health, and it's really great to be part of that.